Hey, this video is on the Hyundai-Kia oil filters. I bought these. This is a 6-pack. We bought online from Amazon. It's for a 2020 Kia Soul 2.0 liter for a family member. He wanted me to get him some oil filters. So after a little bit of research, I found out that there's a new revised part number for a 2020 Kia Soul or Hyundai oil filter, where typically the part number, let me zoom in, Hyundai 26300-35504. Well, I checked this car with a flashlight in the mirror, and I could finally determine that the last three ended in 505. So he did have the brand new and the latest oil filter on there. So when I got it, I was a little bit bummed out, but not too bad, because the 504 it's still considered a good oil filter. And who knows if there's any difference at all between a 504 and a 505. Getting them and opening them up, they appear to be very good quality. And then I was surprised to see that when I did open them up, that it is a 26300-35505. So now I've got the exact same oil filter that's on his car, and he wants to keep it this way. I'm going to do the oil changes for him. He wants to keep it this way just for the fact that he's got warranty. It appears to be a high quality filter just from looks. I mean, after all, how many filters have an awesome hologram on the base of them? And I'm going to try to move this around so you can see the colors. If you get the light just right, you can read Hyundai Motors, Hyundai Mobis, M-O-B-I-S, in real awesome colors. And even at the bottom, there's a www.mobis.co.kr. Just all kinds of neat little designs in this hologram. That's kind of cool. And then on the other side, rather than shrink wrap the entire oil filter, it's like they put a shrink wrap just around the base of it. Well, I'm certainly not an oil filter expert, but it appears to be pretty nice quality. Made in Korea, and here's our number. Kia, Hyundai, Kia Motors, genuine parts, 26300-35505. Now, the bonus is this. You can buy these filters individually for $8.95, Amazon delivered to your door for one filter. So after reading the reviews and the questions and answers, that did not come with the washer for the drain plug. So the review says the 6-pack and the 10-pack will come with the washers. And I think it did. Here they are in this end. I took one out because we're getting ready to do an oil change tonight. And this is interesting. Here's the washers. I hope they're the right size. I won't know until we do the oil change. There were 6 of them in here. I took one out. Hyundai Kia 26300-35505 is renewed version of 26300-35504 as direct replacement. I like to say it would be interesting to know what is the real actual difference between the 505 and the 504, if any. But just an added bonus, the washers come with it. It appears high quality. Now, the good news is you can get them to your door. This is just my experience. You may shop around. You may go to the Kia dealer store, whatever you do. But if you change your own oil, delivered to my door, $40 and a penny divided by 6, rounds out to $6.69 per filter, including the washer. Not too bad. And you're using a genuine Kia oil filter for your warranty, if that's a concern of yours or your dealership. Thanks for watching. Work safe, and please subscribe.